Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to adjust speed in CapCut. So first you have to open your CapCut and then tap import. And then once you have your video here, what you're going to do is you have to drag that video, drag it right here. Now in order for you to adjust the speed, what you're going to do is you have to go to this part and then tap the speed option. Tap this one. Now you have two options, normal and curve. So for normal, what you're going to do here is you just have to drag it up and down. If you want to speed up motion, you just have to drag it up right here, like times 8, 2.0x, 4.6x, and so on. Now if you want to slow down the motion or decrease the motion, you just have to decrease this one right here or drag it down. Okay, now for curve, you have option here for customize, for hero time, bullet, jump cut, flash in. Everything is up to you, but basically if you tap normal here and just adjust the speed, you just have to drag it up and down to adjust the speed motion. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.